Bonjour classe, aujourd'hui c'est vendredi le 5 octobre and today was a pep rally scheduled day. So all of the class periods were shortened except for 5th. So for periods 4th, 6th, and 7th we did our usual warm-up. So I'm going to go to this page, go to the warm-ups, and we did a writing activity as usual. You copied this statement as your title on page 34 of your notebook, and then you wrote about it for 5 minutes or so. You need to decide if you agree or disagree and explain why. So a person can choose to be happy. So we wrote that. We took 5 minutes and wrote that. Then basically the rest of the time we continued work from yesterday, where we finished up our culture activity, which was on station 1. This was the culture activity. Okay, we continued, we finished that up or worked on that. And then for those who did not finish, they were to finish it at home for homework, because everyone now has a textbook that they keep at home. So this was it for homework if not done. And we also worked on the crossword puzzle, and we turned this in by the end of class. Now, while others were working on that, I went through my web page with some students, and we went and looked at all these different pages. And we also went to Google Classroom. And depending on the class period you were in, you were to click on the class, and then if you were not a part of Google Classroom, you had to join. So you had to use the join code. And once we got to Google Classroom, I'm just going to pick period 4. I went and we clicked on the Je me présente video. Of course, mine doesn't show exactly what y'all showed, but we talked about how to add and create documents for the assignment. I also said that those who did not upload a video by midnight tonight would have to present their dolls Monday, no matter what, whether they were ready or not. Then we also clicked on the join the classroom on Duolingo so that they could become a part of Duolingo. So if you're not part of my class, then you will need to go and join it. So you'll go to your class period, whether it's 4th, 6th, or 7th. You'll click on this link and you'll make sure that you have joined up with my class. And that is all we did, because that's about all we had time for. Au revoir et bon week-end.